Bikin Fox.
You would not believe your eyes if 10 million fireflies lit up the world as I fell asleep. 'Cause they fill the open air and leave teardrops everywhere. You'd think me rude, but I would just stand and stare.
Oh, olrat lur. Sudah sampai Sagar lur.
Kita lanjutkan ke Batu Gebang.
Pagi ke pagi ku terjebak di dalam ambisi.
Yuhu, kita sudah sampai guys di Pantai Batu Gebang. Oh.
They say you're not good enough, you're not brave enough. You should cover up your body. Tell me, watch my weight, gotta paint my face. Why you gotta hug me like that every time you see me? Why you always making me laugh? Swear you're catching feelings. I loved you from the start.
Tes kesabaran lur.
Hatiku mendadak buka saat kau berjalan dengannya.
Mas,
Sebelum diri lo lur. Oke, kita bahas pantai lagi. Alright.
You like New York City in the daytime, I like New York City in the nighttime. You say you like sleeping with the air off, I don't, I need it on.
Tertidur.
Kamu yang aku butuhkan untuk jadi teman hidupku.
Would you ever ride away with me? Would you ever take a chance with me? Would you ever take a leap with me? Would you ever change your frequency?
Para jomblo.
When I need motivation, my one solution is my queen, 'cause she stays strong. Yeah, yeah. She is always in my corner, right there when I wanna. All these other girls are tempting, but I'm empty when you're gone. And they say, do you need me? Do you think I'm pretty? Do I make you feel like cheating? I'm like, no, not really, 'cause oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her.
for watching. Jangan lupa like, comment, and subscribe.